Boy, you want to say, you come down and jam down there. You can't just judge the people themselves. You can't just look upon them house and judge them and look upon the type of clothes them wear and just judge them. You have to look at them heart. Reggae is the heart, you know. You understand? Bongo Man, say the Bongo Man a him come. Bongo Man a Jamaica, Island in the Sun, autumn 1980. It's a hot time, the hottest time. Police, politics, politics. Election time, man. The people dancing in the street to the reggae rhythm in the streets like them have hot, cool underneath them foot and them thing there. Trenchtown life rough, you know. Hot down a Trenchtown. Reggae is reality. Fire get hot. Well hot. Look like hell in a Babylon, Rasta.
Yes! Satan and his kingdom fall! Fall! Right down! Wanted, wanted, can't get it. Got it, still there. Want more. Wanted, wanted, can't get it. Got it, still there. Want more. Well, there's enough in the world for everyone's needs, and not enough in the world for everyone's greed. So I no fear, conquering lion is here to give everyone a equal share, because justice has come for all Satan and his kingdom. Bad, 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 bad. Wanted, can't get it. Got it, still it. Want more, what about wanted, can't get it. We got this still there. Want more. Hey, well, who wants it all? We surely lose it all. And a wishful word
what a bam bam. But have no fear, the conquering lion is here to give everyone their equal share. Because justice has come for all, Satan and his queendom fall, 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 fall.